Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best tabletop radio. Here are the top 3 tabletop radios that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Franklin FR1 AM/FM Table Radio. It's designed to be portable and can run on batteries or AC power. You can listen to AM/FM radio stations with the built-in speaker or plug-in headphones for private listening. It has an auxiliary input so you can connect your phone or MP3 player and play music through the speakers. This is perfect for anyone who likes to listen to music while working out, cooking, reading, studying, etc. It has an MP3 player and SD card slot for playing your favorite music. At number 2. RadioShack Portable Digital Tuning AM/FM Weather Tabletop Radio. This tabletop radio is perfect for your desk, kitchen counter, or nightstand. It features a digital tuner with PLL technology and an LCD display that displays the time in 12 and 24-hour formats. This radio has 3 alarm settings: buzzer only, buzzer with flashing light, and voice alarm. You can also set the clock to be on continuously so you never miss a minute of your favorite show. Its color LCD display with backlight and dimmer switch for nighttime use or reading at night. At number 1. Sangean WR11 Wood Cabinet AM/FM Tabletop Analog Radio. This tabletop analog radio is a classic radio that has been around for over 40 years. It features AM and FM bands with analog tuning, an integrated speaker, 8 watts, a headphone jack, and a built-in antenna. This model also includes volume control, tone control, and station presets. This radio has a beautiful wood cabinet with rich, dark finish that will complement any decor. It features an analog tuner and multiple station presets for easy tuning. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.